Hi, I'm Timo Kracke from Genealogy, Germany. So Genealogy is a lovely small village between Oldenburg and Bremen, pretty in the north of Germany. I'm the vice chairman of the Oldenburgische Gesellschaft für Familienkunde, and I also serve as a director at large for the IGGP. I founded a kids genealogy program called Die Familienforscher, and I might also be known as the voice of the German genealogy podcast called Der Genealoge, Familienforschung für die Ohren. So this year's IGGP conference with the motto Celebrate Your German-speaking ancestors will be held in Columbus, Ohio. And I will be there to meet all of these enthusiastic German genealogy folks over there. So I will give 3 presentations. The first one is about hidden gems in German archives. So what could you learn for your family in German archives? So what are these hidden gems and what could you explore there? What types of record sets are available? The second one is Beyond Genealogy Net. So explore all the German Genealogy Society databases. They are online available and most of them are completely free to access. So there's a lot to explore for you. And the last thing is a deep dive in the CompGen databases, historic geo-information system, and the historic city directory. So you could learn a lot of these 2 databases, and I will give you a huge insight into how to explore them, how to use them, and what kind of hints you might find there. And if you can't get enough of me, you are welcome to join me in my connection session about using old maps in family history for your German research. So I'm really looking forward to meet all of you over in Columbus, Ohio. So see you there.